Hello children, we are on the question answer part of class 5 G Science. Your first question is, what is the function of circulatory system? Name the main organs of the circulatory system. Your answer is, the circulatory system helps in transporting different substances such as nutrients, water, oxygen inside our body and also removes waste gases from the body with the help of blood. It is responsible for the circulation of blood through different parts of our body. The main organs of the circulatory system are the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels, including arteries, veins, and capillaries. Coming to the second question, how many types of blood vessels are there? Name them. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, capillaries. Coming to the third question, explain the structure of heart. Draw a level diagram. You can see diagram is there in the page 14 from book. You can see and draw. Your answer to the third question is, the human heart has four chambers. Two upper chamber called auricles or atrium and two lower chamber called ventricles. The auricles are smaller than the ventricles. Auricles upper chamber receive blood from the body while ventricles lower chamber pump blood throughout the body. The heart is divided lengthwise into two parts by a muscular wall. Each half comprises of a auricle and a ventricle separated by a valve. The valves allow the flow of blood in one direction only. Coming to question number 4, write the functions of blood in human body. Answer: the functions of blood in human body are: blood helps in transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body. The red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to different parts of the body. They also collect carbon dioxide from these parts and take it back to the lungs. Second point, the white blood cells help to fight against germs and protect the body from infections and disease-causing organisms. Your third point, platelets help in the clotting of blood at the time of cuts or wound. Your fourth point, it helps in maintaining temperature of the body. Coming to the fifth question, what is the difference between arteries and veins? There are four differences. First difference is carry oxygenated blood, carry deoxygenated blood. Walls are thick, walls are thin. Carry blood away from the heart, bring blood into the heart. Blood flows under high pressure, blood flows under low pressure. Coming to the sixth number, write some ways to keep the heart healthy and strong. The ways to keep heart healthy and strong are: do activities like yoga, jogging, cycling, swimming, or play any outdoor games. Go for morning walk or do exercise for at least 30 minutes. Point number 3, we should avoid junk and fried food. Point number 4, we should stay away from polluted surroundings. Point number 5, eat healthy, balanced diet rich in iron and calcium. One more important thing, children. Your functions of blood is there in your book. This page number 16. You can choose any 4 point of your choice also. I have given here 4 points. You can also write any 4 points of your choice from the book. Coming to question number 6. Similarly, question number 6 is also there in your book. Ways to keep heart healthy. You can write any 5 points of your choice. I have given here 5 points. Still, you can choose any 5 point of your choice from the book and write. Thank you.